Welcome everyone. The first step to change ringtone in Pixel 8 Pro is I want you to start by opening up the settings, and in the settings I want you to scroll all the way down until you see sound and vibration. From here I want you to scroll down until you see phone ringtone, and then you have the default sounds here that you can tap on, then tap to select the ringtone, and once you're happy just tap on the save button here. So we'll tap on the save to change. But if you want your own custom ringtone, instead select my sounds and then tap on the plus, and you will need to select your MP3 or your music ringtone files, and once you tap on them they will show in your ringtones, and you'd be able to tap on a custom ringtone and select it. With that being said, if you would like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.